In this step-by-step tutorial, we will show you how to parse key-value fields from echocardiogram reports using PDF.co Document Parser. We have a sample echocardiogram here that we can use for this tutorial. Let's start by logging into your PDF.co account. On your PDF.co dashboard, click the Document Parser menu. On the Document Parser page, click the New Template. Then, load the PDF or image file that you're going to use. To get the key value fields, select Add Field based on Text Search Object. Then, set the expressions into key sentence with single spaces, value sentence with single spaces, to get the key value fields, and set data type to string. After setting up the objects, you may now run the template. Here's the parse key value from Echocardiogram Report. Once you're done creating your template, you may save it. For more tutorials, you may visit our YouTube channel or on our website. Thank you for watching.